Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a link of TikTok on your TikTok app. So here when I opened up my TikTok, you can see that here is a TikTok. Now if I want to copy the link of that, for that I need to click on the share icon. And here when I slide, you will see a copy link button. So if I click on it, my link has been copied. So here when I go to my browser and I paste this link, you can see that it is TikTok, and here is a TikTok that I copied. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.